Out here ripping at the 30-degree weather, maybe even colder. Yet again, don't have gloves. But I'm out here on my KLX110 today that I just got a couple months ago. So far, I really like it. Definitely be doing a lot of riding this summer. Oh, found neutral. And I got a kit for it too, so I can convert it into having a clutch. So right now it's just semi-auto. Which I don't really like the semi-auto because if the throttle ever sticks, you're going for a ride, kill switch it, but the tire's just gonna still be spinning. But so far I like it, she rips. I think it's even got a big bore kit in it. Oh, I can't wait till summer though. Getting sick of the snow already. We haven't even had that much here in Maine. But definitely not dirt bike season. Gotta stud these tires or something. This all right now that I'm riding on is ice. Drag you right down right quick. I was out here riding with my buddies the other day and hit some nice ice, almost killed myself. Yeah, this little thing rips. This gets sketched out from the ice. It's too much. Too much, I tell ya. But this thing's a little wheelie machine too. Pop it up in any gear. Even though it only has 3 gears, but... yeah, I'll stop right here so you guys can check it out. Ugh. 2008 KLX110. Thing runs pretty good. Starts first kick just about every time. But I just wanted to make a quick little video, show you guys the new bike. It's sweet. But hopefully I'll be doing a lot of track stuff too come springtime. Oh yeah, and I don't have brakes right now. I gotta fix that. It's like all ice. Little jump ski. Gets a little squirrely. Hate ripping on the ice. Maybe on a lake or something, but fuck this. Yeah, I don't think it really likes cold much. Yeah, there's a lot of ice in this field right now. Like all this that I'm riding on is pretty much just ice. Hopefully this year I'll be able to get like a 450 or something too. I got rid of the 250. Actually, I got rid of that for this bike. Just because I wanted something small. Almost went right off the back. Alright. Anyways, just wanted to show you guys the new bike. Hopefully I can make some more videos come soon. But winter's just now picking up here in Maine, so we'll see about that.